Hello my friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. I am a die-hard fan of baked beans. So today in my southern kitchen, I'm going to share with all of y'all a great baked bean recipe that it is a crowd pleaser and everybody's going to go back for seconds. We're going to make southern baked bean casserole. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. It's going to be full of vegetables and sausage. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And Juneteenth is coming up. This would be perfect to serve at your Juneteenth barbecue or dinner, your summer barbecues and picnics. Y'all will want to make this every year. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more baked bean recipes, check out my baked bean recipes playlist and my previous video, Simple Pasta Salad. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your casserole dish, your sausage, and your baked beans, sugar, because we're about to bake some baked bean casserole magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our vegetables and sausage. Over here I have 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper. And I have my sausage. I'm using 12 ounces of smoked chicken sausage, or you can use regular beef and pork sausage or andouille sausage for a little kick. You can also substitute the sausage for ground beef or ground breakfast sausage or ground turkey, whatever your heart desires. So now we're going to dice up the vegetables and slice the sausage. Alright, so now we're going to set this aside while I heat up my pot. In my large pot, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Going to twirl it around. Make sure it coats the pot. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our oil is nice and hot. Now it's time to add in our chicken sausage. Give it a stir. Yeah, music to my ears. Love that sizzle. Alright, so now we're going to let the sausage brown for about 7 minutes. Alright my friends, our sausage is nice and brown. So now it's time to add in our onions and bell peppers. And I'm going to add a little kosher salt to help sweat them. Give it a quick stir. Smells good. When onions and bell peppers hit oil, about to be something magical. Alrighty, so now we're going to let our sausage and vegetables fry until they're translucent. About 6 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our onions and bell pepper is nice and translucent. And off camera, I removed it from my burner. Now it's time to add in the rest of our ingredients. 1/3 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. 1/4 of a cup of molasses. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes along with the juice. Our seasoning, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper, or you can use black. And last but not least, the star of the show, the baked beans. I'm using 2 28-ounce cans of the vegetarian baked beans, and I drained some of the liquid. Gonna give this a quick mix until everything's well incorporated. This looks so good. It's not even baked yet. And look at those colors. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish stirring up my baked beans and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through stirring up my beans. Now we're ready to pour them into my baking dish. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that I sprayed with cooking spray. And be very careful so it won't splatter on you. Alrighty, now we're ready to put our casserole in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil and we're going to let it bake for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, it's been 20 minutes. So now we're going to remove the foil. So now we're going to place it back in the oven, uncovered, for another 20 minutes. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern baked bean casserole. Doesn't that look good? It smells incredible. So now I'm going to let this cool for a few minutes and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The flavors are perfectly layered. The sauce is nice and tender. And I can taste the tomatoes. Oh, and nothing like baked beans. This baked bean casserole is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Baked bean casserole-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Juneteenth.